Well, hello there, peeps. I'm still in propagating mode. If you didn't see my video from last night, you should. I got really excited. I was learning about a new tool I found for planting a tray. And I'm actually looking at something I tried and it worked, and I can't believe it because it's not supposed to. This is actually a leaf from a Haworthia. And you are not supposed to be able to root them. And if you can see what's going on there, yeah, I rooted it. And so I'm trying a blizzard aloe next. I'll show you that tray in a minute. But what I've been doing is, I'm not sure if you remember, I used to have a tray like this just all filled with soil. And in that, I just put randomly a bunch of leaves from a bunch of different succulents. And 3 months later, I bought these little cute little pots. They're so cute. And I put 2 or 3 succulents in every one. And the ones that were bigger, I put in a bigger pot, like my jades. So this is going to be quite the jade plant. It was started from just 2 leaves. This jade plant's looking exceptionally well. And that was planted just from 1 leaf. I haven't watered these yet since they've been planted. And then these were made from 1 single leaf off a plant that looks similar like this, a succulent. And this was a different kind. You can see they're a little bit different. And that was started also from just 1 leaf. This was the top of a huge plant. That's rooted exceptionally well. So the bigger ones, or a few with several starts, I put in the bigger medium size. So these are the extra smalls. These are the smalls. These are 2-inch. These are 3-inch. And then I continued to clean out that entire tray. And I have since planted all these, which are going to get a little drink of water tonight. And I'm now got these ready to go when I go to my plant pop-up sale in a month. I'm going to wait for the next one in a month. And these will be, because I'll not just have watered them, but I'll have fertilized them. So I propagated all of those plants from single leaves. So jade, and then 3 different types of succulent plants here. Actually, that's a different one. That was a crassula that didn't work very well. That was the only one that survived out of it. But by tomorrow, these will all be standing up really strong and pretty because they just got transplanted. And they're just little bitty babies. That was a top to a plant as well. And that has since grown quite a bit. Another jade. Another jade. Okay, so what I did was I took all of them out of a tray like this. I left the soil because the soil is very rich. And then I went over and I planted this beautiful thing tonight. It took me about 2 hours. I did it while I watched an auction online. And this, I'm happy to say, this is filled with regular dark jade, variegated jade, some baby toes. I don't know how that's going to go. We'll find out. A lot of experiments going on. These are my lipstick Echeveria leaves. These over here are my lilac wonder leaves. These are tomatosa, and those are rooting. They're left over. That's an old one from a PVN, Pearl von Nuremberg. These right here, these are angel wing cacti starts. These are fairy castle starts. These are portulaca. These are blizzard aloe. And they may or may not work on these aloe, but I will tell you one thing. If I can get a Haworthia to root, like that one right there, I bet I can get an aloe to root. And so that's my new propagation tray, and you'll notice I've labeled everything very clearly. Most of them I can identify on this one. The Lilac Wonders I could have gotten confused with Miranda or another one. But everything else here I could identify. And so in about 2 months, because now I'm using a propagating spray that's got a lot of nutrients and it's like a fertilizer for cactus and succulents, that puppy should produce a whole lot of plants. And I did a video last night. If you didn't see it, you need to go watch it. It's pretty cool. This is a new pop-out tray that I am propagating: peanut cactus, a few angel wings, and a PVN right there. And then down here, these are propagating trays that are taking off. These were not, these were all dying. They weren't doing anything here. These are stained glass calancho. And then yesterday I looked in there and I've got some babes. And then I got a really nice one right there. Look at that one. Found some more. So yeah, things are going well. The only ones that aren't are these fire, oh, that one just started. Look at that. These are calancho, fire dragon, I think, or fire something. Then I've got some stuff going back here. I've got, let me zoom out a little bit. I got a lot of PVNs that are rooted in there, and now they'll grow a baby. You can already see a baby there. These are pickle plant, pickle plant cacti, succulent, excuse me. And then I got a bunch of other plant stuff that I started, all for my little pop-up sale. In about a month, they'll all be going really fine. I've got basil and